Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a small finance bank which is a market leader in the small finance banking sector. So we will do a detailed analysis of this company and we will see how company has performed exponentially in the past few years and what is the potential available in this small finance bank. So before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel so that you will get regular update of value buying opportunity, and through these videos you will learn how to do a detailed analysis and how to identify these value buying opportunity in the stock market. So let's start our discussion. So in small finance banking sector, AU Small Bank is the largest small finance bank, and Equitas Small Finance Bank is the growing bank which has shown a consistent growth in terms of its financial, and it has a potential to grow like AU Finance Bank has grown over the past year. So let's analyze the fundamental and the financials of Equitas Small Finance Bank. So Equitas Small Finance Bank Limited, before they acquired the small bank license in 2016, they were operated as a wholly owned subsidiary of Equitas Holding Limited. So Equitas Holding Limited is a parent company of Equitas Small Finance Bank Limited. The holding entity started its operation in 2007 in the microfinance segment and diversified into vehicle and house finance in 2011. In addition to that, they have also entered into SMEs and LAP in 2013. So over the period of time, they have well diversified their portfolio and the customer whom they are lending the money and earning the interest out of their lending. It merged with the other two subsidiaries named Equitas Microfinance Limited and Equitas Housing Finance Limited, and they have formed a bank. After receiving a license in September 2016, which I have mentioned, the company commenced operation under Equitas Small Finance Bank. So all this small finance bank has got the license in 2016. After got the license of small finance bank in 2016, they have shown a consistent growth in terms of revenue and net profit. And they have grown exponentially in last 5 years. As far as geographical diversification is concerned, it has presence in 17 states and union territory with 861 banking outlets and 330 ATMs with clientele of 40 lakh plus. And as far as the loan book is concerned, it provides loans under 6 different categories. So the first one is small business loans, which they are providing to multiple customers, that is SBL. That includes housing and agriculture loans as well. This contributes around 43% of the total advances as on December 20, which has increased from 34% in March 2018. The other category is vehicle finance, and it contributes 25% of total advance as on December 20, which has marginally reduced from 29% in March 2018. The third category is microfinance, and it contributes 20% of the total advances as on December 2020, and it has also reduced from 27% in March 2018. The other category is micro and small finance, and it contributes 6% of the total advances. And the last category is corporate loan, which contributes 5% of the total advances, which has marginally grown from 2.5% since March 2018. So they have well diversified loan category, which they are providing to 6 different customer base. The total loan book, if we can talk about, so total advances of the bank are 17,373 crore as on December 2020, which has grown from 7,788 since March 2018, which is incremental of 123%. So as I told you, they have shown exponential growth in last few years. And if we talk about the geography contribution, so Tamil Nadu contributes around 54%, Maharashtra contributes around 13%, Karnataka with 11% are the major contributing states for gross advances with no exposure in the eastern part of India. As far as the deposits include retail and institutional deposits are concerned, so CASA, that is current account, and the saving account stands at around 4,000 crore, that is 25% of the total deposit as on December 2020, which has grown from 1,600 crore, that is 34% of the total deposit in March 2018, and which has increased by 142%. Again, the deposit has also improved with a high percentage margin, and major contributor to deposits are again Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and the Punjab states. The other credential as concerned, the capital adequacy ratio is 21.58%, which has reduced from 29.63% in March 2018. The gross non-performing asset is 4.16% as on December 2020, which has increased from 2.68% in March 2018, and net non-performing asset stands at 1.71. Again, it has increased marginally from March 2018. So that is the only negative point as far as the non-performing asset is concerned. Otherwise, Equitas Small Finance Bank has shown a consistent growth, which we are going to see in our financial analysis. So we have seen the fundamentals of Equitas Small Finance Bank, and it has shown a consistent growth over the period of past few years. And with per capita income growth going forward, it has a direct correlation with the GDP growth of India. In addition to these fundamentals, I would like to show you a few other key points. This is the annual report of Equitas Small Finance, and if you can see, the gross advances over the period of last 6 years has increased with a CAGR of 23.85%, and the current gross advances stands at 17,900 crore as on financial year 2021. In those gross advances, again, the secured loan book has increased from mere 46% in FY15 to 81% in FY21. So again, that is also a great improvement which they have shown as far as the secured loans are concerned. And the cost of fund has decreased from 12% in FY15 to just 7.34% in FY21. So over the last few years, they have able to reduce the cost of fund, which is ultimately improved the net profit and the operating profit of the bank. Now let's see the financials of Equitas Small Finance and see how company has performed in the last few years. So market capitalization of Equitas Small Finance is 6,636 crore. The ROCE of the company is 9.14, which is a healthy ROCE, and ROE stands at 12.5%, which is again a very good return on equity which company has posted. The current market price of Equitas Small Finance is 53 and book value is 27.1. So it is currently trading just double the price of its book value, which is a good sign because it is available at a very good valuation. And if we compare it with the AU Small Finance Bank, the book value of AU Small Finance Bank is just 197 and currently it is trading at a very high price of 1193. So similar to AU Small Finance Bank, Equitas Small Finance Bank has potential to grow 5x to 10x in next few years. As I told you, AU Small Finance Bank is the largest small finance bank in India with a market capitalization of 37,000 crore. And we have seen that Equitas Small Finance Bank has a market capitalization of just 6,600 crore. So it has a direct potential to grow 6x from here in the next few years. Now the two most important financial parameter, which is sales growth of last 5 years, it has shown a very huge growth of 50.9%, and the profit of last 5 years, it has shown a CAGR of 35.2%. So this has shown an exponential growth in last 5 years. So as far as the quarterly result is concerned, it has posted the highest ever revenue as on December 2021, which currently stands at 901 crore. And as far as the net profit is concerned, it currently stands at 108 crore. So in June 2021 and September 2021, the net profit has decreased, but in the latest quarter of December 2021, the net profit has improved and which is currently stands at par of the December 2020 quarter. So which is a good sign. Now, as far as the profit and loss statement is concerned, in March 2016, the revenue was just 400 crore, and as on March 2021, the revenue stands at 3,194 crore. So they have 8x their revenue in last 5 years, and the trailing 12 months of revenue stands at 3,382 crore. Now, as far as the net profit is concerned, in March 2016, again, the net profit was just 85 crore. As on March 2021, the net profit stands at 384 crore. So again, they have 4x their net profit in last 5 years. So their financials are very strong and they have shown a consistent growth in last 5 years. Now, as far as the balance sheet is concerned, it has consistently improved the reserves. So in March 2016, the reserves was just 288 crore, and as on March 2021, the reserve stands at 2,257 crore. The lending capacity of Equitas Small Finance Bank stands at 20,557 crore plus 2,257 of reserves, which equivalent to around 23,000 crore. And as far as the shareholding pattern is concerned, promoters, that is the Equitas Holding Limited, it holds 81.36% of Equitas Small Finance Bank stock, and FII holds mere 0.7%, DII holds 12.78% as of December 2021, and public holds just 5.12%, which is a very good sign. So all these stocks are currently in the strong hands of promoters and DII. As per the SEBI guidelines, the promoters can hold maximum of 75% of company's holding. So going forward, we will see that Equitas Holding will reduce their shareholding in Equitas Small Finance, and from 81.36%, they will reduce their shareholding to 75%, and maybe FIIs, DIIs will increase their shareholding going forward. So we have seen the fundamentals and financials of Equitas Small Finance, and it has shown a consistent growth as far as the revenue and net profit is concerned. And compared to the largest small finance bank, that is AU Small Finance Bank, which has a market capitalization of 37,000 crore, the market capitalization of Equitas Small Finance Bank is just 6,600 crore. So it has a direct potential to grow 6x in next few years. Again, the future growth prospect of these banks are very good. Now let's analyze the technical and see how much potential is available in Equitas Small Finance Bank. This is a chart of Equitas Small Finance Bank, and the current market price of Equitas Small Finance Bank is 53 rupees, and I am recording this video on 12th of March. So when you are going to watch this video, maybe the current market price will change, and according to that, you can analyze the potential gain available in Equitas Small Finance Bank. So currently stock is trading at a strong support line, which is a price level of 53. So after giving the breakout from this price level, the stock has taken a multiple support at the same price level. And because of that only, the stock is currently trading at a very strong support line. Equitas Small Finance Bank is recently listed in November 2020, and after listing, it has posted the all-time high price level of 76 rupees. And within 1 year of listing, the stock has shown a great rally, and it has given a return of 150% in just 1 year. And because it has given a huge return of 150 after posting the all-time high price level of 76, it has gone into the consolidation phase and currently available at its 1 year old price level. So which is a good sign because it is currently available at a very good valuation. And because of that only, there is a huge opportunity available in Equitas Small Finance Bank. The second point is currently the stock is trading below the 200-day moving average. So this white curve is 200-day moving average, and currently it is trading below 200-day moving average, which is a good sign and a value buying opportunity. So since October, the overall stock market is in the bear stage, and it has corrected by few percentage. At similar to overall stock market, Equitas Small Finance Bank has also corrected by almost 30%. So whenever we see that the fundamentals and the financials of any company is great and the stock is not showing the sign and the reflection of that fundamental and the financials, and if it is currently available below or trading in a consolidation phase in a long period of time, so this always tells you that this is the time to invest in such company because the fundamentals and financials are great. And secondly, the technicals and the stock prices is currently available at a very good valuation. So if we can take the current price level of 53 up to the all-time high price level of 76, there is a direct potential available of 45%. That is a decent potential gain available in Equitas Small Finance. In addition to all-time high price level and the target of 76, there is one more target which is on the basis of our technical chart analysis. So Equitas Small Finance has formed a cup with handle pattern. So this is a cup and this is a handle. So after giving a small breakout from the price level of 68, which is a neckline, the stock has corrected by 34% because of the overall market correction in the stock market. So if we take the depth of this cup with handle pattern, and take this depth and put it on the neckline, we will get our second potential target of price level 86. So on basis of cup with handle pattern, from the current price level up to the price level of 86, there is a direct potential available of 63%. So let me repeat the target once again. So our first target is price level of 76, which is an all-time high price level with a potential gain of 45%. And the second target is price level of 86 with a potential gain of 63%. So I am an investor and buyer in Equitas Small Finance Bank. I already hold few of the shares of Equitas Small Finance Bank. And in addition to that, I also hold the share of its parent company, that is Equitas Holding, on which I am going to make a separate video going forward. When I am saying I am an investor and buyer in this company, this is not a buying or selling recommendation. Kindly do your due diligence before investing in the stock market. So in this video, you have learned that how the company has performed over the period of past few years, and it has shown a consistent growth in terms of sales and net profit. And still the stock prices is available at a very good valuation because of the recent market correction, which is giving us the opportunity to invest in this company, because going forward with the improved net profit, it will going to achieve its technical target of 45% and the 63% on basis of our technical analysis. So I hope you have liked this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you.